2025 Bentley GT Continental Speed Review and Test Drive. Bentley's new 4th-generation Continental GT Speed is the most powerful road-legal car ever. While the overall shape hasn't changed much, the design of the front fascia appears to have been inspired by the limited edition Bacalar with gorgeous tiger eyes. Just look at these dual headlamps, giving it a predatory look. The lights are now elliptical rather than round. The details are truly impressive. Look closely, and you'll see the deep crystal-cut diamond effect in the light clusters. This pattern is mirrored in the taillights too. The taillights are grayed out, and when you press the brakes, the tips of the diamond shapes are highlighted to create a smoked effect. We really liked how there's a new wheel design, and the lower bumpers are tweaked a bit, giving it a bouncy suspension during the drive. However, it actually uses the chassis from the 3rd-generation version, but with some tweaks. For instance, Bentley fitted it with some new dampers, which have a wider range of operation. So sportier is sportier than before, and comfort is comfier than before. Also, you've got a new torque vectoring system over the rear axle, which is even more aggressive than before. It helps get the car turning better than the previous model. And the hybrid has a perfect 50-50 weight distribution because the batteries are in the boot. The all-wheel steering setup is taken from the GT Speed model. So, the 2025 model will be the sharpest to steer standard Continental GT ever. With the convertible GTC Speed, you can enjoy the open air by lowering the 7-bow fabric roof, which folds down completely in just 19 seconds, even while cruising at speeds up to 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Wow, this is some view. Now let's step inside. The interior looks familiar too. It's opulent, classy, and comfortable. The new Continental GT's cabin features diamond quilting, stitching, and perforation. We noticed that for 2025, the perforated quilting has a nice fade toward the bottom of the seat insert, which adds a unique touch. The option to go for black chrome brightwork gives it a sportier vibe, which is a cool upgrade. And those mandarin orange accents, they really pop. We think they're a great choice if you want something bold. We loved how the center infotainment display can rotate to reveal either a wood panel or those cool analog gauges, temperature, compass, and timer. It's a great way to unplug from all the digital screens. The audio options are impressive too, especially the 2,200-watt Naim system with bass transducers in the seats. It's like having a concert in your car. Another updated feature includes a wide center console and a 3-spoke steering wheel, with layers of 3-dimensional textured leather on the door, similar to the flying spur. The laminated glass does a good job of keeping the interior soundproof, and the constant air quality monitoring with an ionizer keeps things fresh inside. The GPS even switches to recirculate automatically when a tunnel's coming up, which is a smart and thoughtful touch. Now coming to power specs. Bentley Continental GT 2025 is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8, paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox that also includes an electric motor. While it replaces the old 6-liter W12, there's no need to feel too nostalgic. The previous Speed with the W12 had 616 horsepower and 900 newton-meters of torque, but this new version, thanks to its twin-turbo V8 hybrid, delivers a whopping 782 horsepower and 1,000 newton-meters of torque. The top speed remains the same, at 208 miles per hour. The previous GT version with W12 could sprint from 0 to 62 miles an hour in 3.6 seconds, while this new hybrid can do so in 3.3 seconds. That's a booming speed. However, with the added hybrid tech, this model is slightly heavier than the previous version. The car has a fully electric range of up to 50 miles, and speeds up to 99 miles per hour, delivering 100 more horsepower than the Aston Martin DB12. It emits just 36 grams of carbon dioxide per kilometer, matching the efficiency of the Porsche Panamera e-hybrid, which settles your environmental pollution worries. This makes the Continental GT not only powerful, but also as eco-friendly as one of the leading plug-in hybrids. One of the great things about the latest Bentley Continental GT is its 25 kilowatt-hour battery pack, giving you up to 50 miles of electric range. And on top of that, the engine sounds even better than the old W12. Want to hear? Let's turn it into sports mode. There you go. Going hybrid now. No noise. The software is updated, including wireless smartphone mirroring, intelligent park assist using the Bentley app, and remote charging. It comes as a convertible or a coupe, but either way, you'll struggle with the rear seats, unless you're a small child. Also, a cool feature in the My Bentley app is it lets you use services like Spotify, even if you forget your phone. Plus, it's got support for Zoom calls and even some gaming apps when the car's parked, making it more than just a ride. It's a full-on entertainment center on wheels. Now let's talk about the price. You can now place orders for the 2025 Bentley Continental GT and GTC Speed, starting at $300,000, with more affordable models coming later. Deliveries will begin at the end of the year. And if that price seems high, remember it comes with the bragging rights of setting an underwater speed record of 208 miles per hour while driving through the world's deepest tunnel. So, there goes the price justification. Bentley is making bold claims about the Continental GT's dynamic ability, and the public is calling this a daily supercar. We cannot dispute that. This really is one luxurious coupe you must drive. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Click on some other car review videos as well, and let us know in the comments below if you are excited about the new Bentley launch.